Hey guys, quick tutorial. This time it's with our Younique websites. This is important for two reasons. Number one, your customers can use these tools. And number two, you can use these tools to help make better informed recommendations and more knowledgeably answer your customers' questions. So let's get into it. So click shop, base, liquid foundation. So your customers can use this Find Your Perfect Shade right here. Also down below, notice it's got the little video in the About section. It's got your colors right here. Right here. It's got all your colors. It's got your hints here. So neutrals, your pinks, these are your ones who burn easily. These are your ones who tan, right? So you have all these things, same things that you would be doing. You would be asking them to send you a picture. You would be asking them these questions. They can do this themselves, right? There's the how-to on how to apply, and there's the great with. Y'all know that this brush is the softest, most amazing flipping brush that you have ever used. Don't even lie, you know it is. So there's that. There's your primer that you want them to use with it. There's your concealer that most of them are going to need with it. So boom, right there, there's your upsell. If you send your customer here to find their shade, tell them scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's the great with, and then scroll a little up and you can find your shade. Or do like I do and tell them, go ahead, click on the liquid foundation, scroll to the bottom, you'll find the tool. And they scroll to the bottom and oops, they accidentally see this first. And they have to scroll up and find it on how to find their shade, right? So there you go, upsell. So let's look at some of the other ones. So for example, lips, the splash that's on sale, plus we have new colors. So again, there's a video in the About section. Again, there's all the colors with the new ones up here. Sometimes my customers say, oh, can you tell me again what was the new colors? I have this little snipping tool that I use. I don't know if you guys have it, but I have it. And I will just snip this and send it to them in the messenger. There's your new colors. So also in here, there's the how-to again. And the great with again. Boom, upsell right there, built right in. Thank you, corporate. Thank you. Let's see, let's try another one. It's also in the brightening mask, which y'all know I love this gold brightening mask. It's amazing. They've got a video in the About section. They've got their how-to with the picture. They've got their great with, right? Also, one last thing. So you guys, if you don't have, like for example, the Splurge cream shadows are on sale and selling out with a quickness, right? There's all your colors, but down here, if you don't have the color to show off, here's pictures from your Y sisters. Use them. Thanks, girls. There they are right there. Use these pictures. It's fine. If you don't have one of yourself, it's okay. That's what we share for, because we love each other and we help each other. So there you go, girls. I hope that helped. And if you have any questions, just comment below, or if you're seeing this in Facebook, you can go ahead and message me and we can chat.